Alright guys, probably can't see nothing right now, but right now in Cicero, it's thundering right now. And I like catching it on film, okay? So see, let's hope I don't die, okay? See if I can catch it anywhere on film. On film, okay? Look, the thunder gods know me. Not sure if you saw that on film. See on film. Okay, it's getting wet right now. I'm covering the lens. Okay, it's getting wet more. Okay, nothing right now here. Right? Let me pause it and show you if thunder comes. I'm in my bed right now. Let's see if anything, any lightning comes. The lens are probably wet. And they're right. Come on, focus. Yeah, my phone is getting wet right now. Like, it's so crazy that this side is clear, but this side is all thunder. It's cool that half of this rope is covered with no thunder. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the thing and yeah. Oh, this no thunder at all. The second I cut this video, dude, there was like 30 thunders. Like 30 thunders. It was like down. 3 lines of thunder saying to stop recording. Hey, thunder gods. Thunder from my camera. I just don't wanna. Okay, I'm stopping thunder. Alright, still no thunder, guys. No thunder. Some real bullshit. Some real bullcrap. Okay, no thunder yet. Let's see if there's thunder more. A crazy thunder right now. I'm not sure if you got that on film. Come on, just thunder so I can get in. I need content, see? I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but that thunder was crazy. Thunder again, please. I need you on film. Do it on my camera. No, not my camera. Somewhere else. So that my camera can see it. Huh? I'm getting water in my eye right now. I'm gonna cut it. No thunder yet. What the fuck is behind my bike? Yeah. I'll wash my hands after this. I'm in the shade right now. I got my camera right there. My whole phone is red right now. And nothing to do. Let's see if it's any. No lighting. And why am my camera doing like I can't even focus? No tornado. I'm gonna pause it. Nothing. No tornado. Some bull. No tornado. What the heck? No goddamn tornado. No stupid tornado. I'm gonna see if there's any. No tornadoes. It's already 4 minutes. It's about to be 4 minutes long. No tornado. No boo. Alright guys. I thank you for 800 views for that Lock Into video. Hope you have a great day. Peace. Oh, you can see me in the camera. Hi. Goodbye. You guys saw that. Okay guys, I saw you on film. You saw this on film right now. On film. Go to. If you want to skip all my talking and see tornado, thunderstorm, go to the 4 minutes and 8 seconds, 4 minutes and 5 seconds, and you'll see all the thunderstorms that happen. Okay, so hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy your weekend. It's about to be a weekend, so enjoy your weekend. And yeah, this is some boo. It's the first time getting it on film, and I'm gonna search this. Okay, so goodbye.